You search for how to buy shares of Monopar Therapeutics Inc. Monopar is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on oncology and related therapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MNPR. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and you will need to add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MNPR to locate the Monopar Therapeutics listing. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ entry that corresponds to the company. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart to check recent performance. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ MNPR ticker to ensure this is the right stock. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review your order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order depending on the platform. If you don't have sufficient funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. Once executed, your Monopar position will appear in your portfolio view. Check there to monitor holdings. For convenience, find the example link to eToro in the video description.